Epidemiology is the science behind how we understand diseases, how they start, how they spread, and how to stop them. It's the foundation of public health and disease control. But what most people don't realize is that every good epidemiological study begins with one thing: sampling. Epidemiology looks at patterns, causes, and effects of health conditions within populations. It answers questions like, why are people in this area falling sick? How many people have been exposed? Which group is most at risk? And what intervention can protect the population? If you want to study malaria in a city, you don't test everyone, you test a carefully chosen sample. If you choose well, your results will be accurate and useful. If you choose poorly, your results will be misleading and dangerous. Hence, sampling is a statistical method used to select a subset of individuals from a population to estimate characteristics of the whole population. There are two main types of sampling techniques. 1. Probability sampling, random sampling. In probability sampling, every member of the population has a known, non-zero chance of being selected. This allows for statistical inference and reduces bias. Types of probability sampling. 1. Simple random sampling. Every member has an equal chance of being selected, for example, lottery method, random number generators. 2. Stratified sampling. The population is divided into subgroups strata based on shared characteristics, and random samples are taken from each stratum. 3. Cluster sampling. The population is divided into clusters, often geographically, and entire clusters are randomly selected for study. 4. Systematic sampling. Every element is selected from a list, for example, every 10th person on a list. 5. Multi-stage sampling. A combination of two or more sampling methods, for example, first cluster sampling, then random sampling within clusters. 2. Non-probability sampling. In non-probability sampling, not every member has a known chance of being selected, making it more prone to bias but often easier and cheaper. Types of non-probability sampling. 1. Convenience sampling. Selecting participants based on availability, for example, surveying people in a mall. 2. Purposive judgmental sampling. Researchers select participants based on specific criteria or expert judgment. 3. Snowball sampling. Existing participants recruit others useful for hard-to-reach populations. 4. Quota sampling. The population is divided into subgroups, and a set number of participants are selected from each non-randomly. 5. Voluntary response sampling. Participants self-select, for example, online polls. A well-chosen sample gives you powerful insight. It's like judging the whole farm based on just a few fruits. You better make sure they're the right ones. Conclusion. Sampling is the foundation of public health research. Whether you're investigating an outbreak or measuring disease spread, your results are only as good as your sampling method.